In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Patreon language. If you prefer browsing Patreon in a different language, or you're traveling and want the interface to match your region, updating your language setting takes just a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it, explain what changes when you switch languages, and share a few helpful tips to make sure everything updates smoothly. First, open your browser and go to Patreon.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with a profile you actually use so the preference saves to the right place. If you're on desktop, you'll land on your home feed after logging in. On mobile web, the layout is a bit more compact, but the setting you need is in the same general area. Next, head to Settings. On desktop, you'll typically find this under your profile avatar in the top right corner. Click that and choose Settings from the menu. If you're on a smaller screen, you may see a menu icon instead. Open it, and you'll find Settings listed there. This is where Patreon stores most of your account-wide preferences. Inside Settings, look for the Account section. Patreon settings are organized into tabs, and Account is the one that controls core preferences tied to your profile. Click Account to open it. If you see other tabs like Basics or Billing, you're in the right place. Just make sure you're on Account for what we're doing today. Now scroll down until you see Language Preferences. Here you'll find a drop-down or selector that lists the languages Patreon supports. Choose the language you prefer. In most cases, the interface will refresh automatically, and you'll immediately notice buttons, menus, and navigation updating to your chosen language. This change affects how Patreon's interface appears to you. It doesn't translate creators' posts or images, which remain in the language they were written. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. Language is separate from currency, so switching languages won't change how prices are displayed. Emails and notifications may adapt to your language choice, but some messages, especially creator content, will still arrive in the language they were created in. If the page doesn't update right away, try a quick refresh. And if you've switched languages, but the interface looks mixed or stuck, signing out and back in, or clearing your browser cache can help the new preference take effect. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to Settings, opened the Account tab, and selected your language preferences. Enjoy browsing Patreon in the language that's most comfortable for you.